Hi everybody, it's my second video. I'm really sorry, when I tried to do a video, my phone locked up, so by the time it, got freed, he already, knocked all the trees down the hill. My God. Either my eyes act like a mirror, or this phone is seriously the true distance. Objects and eyes are closer than they appear. Move over a bit. He's so much closer than he looks now. Not even 50 feet. Maybe about 40, 30, 40. Cool. Geez, I don't know which is louder, the hydraulic pump or the engine. Or the bucket. Geez, that pin's a little small, isn't it? I mean, geez. I remember this. This sound ain't foreign. Same thing with that excavator I was telling you about. Sounded the exact same, except for it didn't clang as much. Clang. Nice thing about the new ones, the pins are actually the right size. And the piston arm is actually held into place better, so it doesn't just move back and forth. Jesus, you're about to lose a tooth. Haha. First loose tooth. Actually, probably about 3 of them. Oh, I love digging big holes. Sweet. I love excavators. It's so fun digging the big holes. Especially on a hill. The first bite is the best. Nice. After he leaves, I'll have to survey the damage. Down the hill it goes. Geez, a little bit of pollution. Not typical. It's an old machine, the engine's probably tired. Nice. He's a pretty good operator. Just like me. I have to show you guys a video of me driving machines. It's so awesome, I have to. Next time I go with my grandfather. Up and away. Oh, another big bite. Oh, nice. First one was the best. I felt that. That was a big one. Probably a root in it because it felt like a huge clump. Sweet. some dust. That's amazing. It was raining, pouring yesterday, and it was raining a little bit this morning, but it stopped. I'm gonna ride my quad through the mud. Bub Lake. I have to go to school tomorrow. One good thing about being sick sometimes, you get to stay home from school, but it's not really good unless, I don't know. Actually, scratch that. It's just that, well, it doesn't really matter, because if you're sick and you stay home from school, it's no fun because you're sick. Unless you're faking it like I used to do. At least once a week in, like, 1st and 2nd grade, and 3rd grade, I'd go down to the nurse's office at least once a week and say, oh, I don't feel good. Most of the time, I'd go home. As soon as I got home, I'd play. Gotta love that easy life. Now I'm in 8th grade. Things aren't as easy. Don't bite off more than you can chew, buddy. This machine isn't built for this. Or it was 40 years ago, or whenever it was built. 1970, 80, something. Ow. Caterpillar. Hey, if anyone views this video and knows how, like on YouTube itself, how to make the whole thing zoom in farther, please tell me because that would really help. I have to get a regular video camera, like a good one. Oh, nice. Nice. I love huge bites like that. Sweet. You know, the exhaust is pretty quiet. You can't hear it unless it's trying to pick up a load. Then you can kind of hear the sound. But other than that, it's kind of... Whoa. Nice. I hope I got that on film. That was cool. Yeah, watch. He's probably not going to pick him up. Yeah. Move over! Yeah, that's better. Oh boy, he's gonna lose him. Voodoo! Lost and forgotten.